Good afternoon. Welcome to Jim Munley's World of Weather. Clicked on to long-range weather forecast discussion for February 16th to 28th. For February 16th to 20th, we have a Rex block patterns forecast across the central and northern Pacific, extending from Hawaii to Alaska. This results in a quasi-zonal flow, which you can see on this map, and a trough is forecast in the west, and we have above normal heights across the southeast. So during this period, the southern stream will be dominant and will cause unsettled conditions across the southeast and the east. Now, one system, we're going to take a look here now, will bring light precipitation, light snow across the mid-Atlantic with light to moderate rains across portions of the southeast. And then we'll take a look at that. So we're going to go here. This is the operational GFS. You see here's the system right here. So this is the operational GFS, and then we'll look at this is the operational GFS. This is the new GFS, and this is the European. Then we have another one that would bring another round of light to moderate rain and snow for portions of the southeast and mid-Atlantic. The more significant system is forecast to develop over the Western Gulf next week. And we'll take a look at that. So first we'll look at the other system. Here we go with this one. This is the Operation GFS. See snow. Here's the 540 line. And we look at the European. Here's the 540 line. It's slower to bring the precipitation in. This is for Sunday. And here's the operational GFS. Then we got to watch another system in the southern stream. This would be for like next week. All right, here's the system developing right here. This is the operational GFS. And this brings snow. And it looks to be all snow event according to the GFS. And we'll look at the European. Here's the 540 line right here. And the European has it close to the coast and changing to rain. We've got to see how that goes. And we're going to have rain across to the south. Now, also, we're going to have a system will enter the west coast over the weekend. So here's the system here. Here we are Saturday, operational GFS. This is the operational. This is the new GFS. And then here's a European. And that will bring a lower elevation rain and mountain snows. All right, now we're going to go back to the period. This is for February 19th to 23rd. The pattern doesn't change very much. Take a look here. We have a strong ridge here south of the Aleutians, trough here, above normal heights across the southeast. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures here, and I'm forecasting anomalies of 6 to 12 degrees or more will be possible, and below normal temperatures here, above normal temperatures for the southeast, that is anomalies of 4 to 6 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for West Coast states and for this region. The probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then below normal precipitation forecast here, probability of occurrence is 35%. Then we go to the period for February 24th to 28th. Again, the pattern doesn't change very much. We have a strong ridge here, trough, ridge configuration. That's what most of the models are showing. So for this forecast period, I'm forecasting below normal temperatures for much of this area here across the northeast mid-Atlantic, and on forecast anomalies at 6 to 12 degrees or more will be possible, and near to above normal temperatures forecast for the southeast with anomalies at 2 degrees above normal. For precipitation, calling for above normal precipitation for the west coast states and for this region, and the probability of occurrence is 35 to 45%, and then we have below normal precipitation for most of the Rockies, and the probability of occurrence is 35%. That's the long-range weather forecast discussion for February 16th and 28th. Thanks for coming to Jim Munley's World of Weather, and have a good day.